Okay, YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to get ifunbox or how to download and install ifunbox on your PC because I don't have a Mac. So first go to Google, then type ifunbox, then go to ifunbox.com, which is here. Then click on download for Windows. Then you're going to download this over here. .exe for Windows, not for Mac. Okay, so .exe, click on .exe, not the .zip file, and then keep it. I'll be right back after this download completes. Okay, the download is about to be completed, and open it. Then click on run. Then yes. Then okay. And then next. I accept. Next, 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 and done. Okay, so then you can connect your device and manage whatever you want to, like user applications, so you can hack games with ifunbox and all. Change the user application, and that's it for this video, people.